Hare Krishna. Grandma is lying in the easy chair and reading Gita. Chandu and Lali are talking about the grandma. Chandu is asking, what is grandma in this old age doing? Lali says, she is preparing for her final exam. That is, she is counting her days. That she says as preparing for final exam. It is also true in some sense, we will see subsequently. This final exam theory is coming in the sloka number 5 of chapter 8.
Antakale cha mameva smaran muktva kalevaram yah prayati samadbhavam yati nastyatra samshayah.
This is a fantastic declaration. The whole world needs it. It needs to practice also. Krishna tells Arjuna, whoever at the end of death quits his body, remembering me alone, at once attains my nature. Of this, there is no doubt. Arjuna asked the same question. Not knowing this answer, he was asking how to remember him in the last moment. But in this sloka, it is only saying, you remember. The real fine hint is there for a man to reach the final last minute. Just remember Krishna, that's all. It looks so simple, does it not? But it's not all that simple as it looks or sounds. For this, a whole life of practice, tapasya, is needed. Is it so difficult? It is also not all that difficult as it looks or sounds. Make it a habit of telling his name all the time, even forcibly in the beginning. That will ultimately lead you to that habit. Krishna's simply complicated hint has to be viewed like this. A person may be a prime minister, actor, writer, a man, woman, or maybe anybody for that matter. Your life's only test is to check whether in the last minute of your life you are thinking of Krishna or anything else. No difference, anything else. If it is not Krishna, anything else is the same. That's all. Are you thinking of Krishna or anything else? That is the only question. Our whole life is spent preparing for the test, knowingly or unknowingly, mostly unknowingly, because we are not conscious about the last minute test all the time, and not consciously. The marks are either 100 or 0. All the events, that means either you reach him or you do not reach him. All the events in life are shaping the person and leading him or her for reaching that mark. There is no restriction of starting time for preparation. You can start at any age. In fact, there is one famous example of Katvanga Maharaja. He helped Devas against Asuras and he fought for a long time, and then they wanted him to ask anything if he wants. Then he said, there is only one wish for me. I want to know how long I will live. He put them in embarrassment. This is a very simple, innocent question, isn't it? Why they should be embarrassed? Because they came to know, or they know it already, that he is going to live only 3 more minutes. That's his life. With hesitation, they told them, within half a minute, of course, not wasting much time telling. Then he thought of the Supreme Lord and reached him. But how many of us have this opportunity and luck to know our last minute? So, at least knowing this, from now, we can prepare ourselves for the finals. Only one warning, there is many a slip between the cup and the lip. Hare Krishna.